Hello guys, today I bring you this cross bracelet for men, boys, son, boyfriend, husband, man, soulmate, or to whoever special person you have. You can get one of these bracelets. The bracelet comes packaged like this. Inside the package you will find the bracelet, a note card, and the envelope for the note card. In the package of the bracelet you will find a special note and the bracelet. Special note will be with the message that you select in a cardboard material note, very nice. And the bracelet will be made out of 8mm black agate and tiger eye stones, and the cross is made out of stainless steel. Also this part right here, very nice material and quality, and I really thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next one.